I have created a universal compiler. It has the ability to create any program or computer file that you want. Do you need a sleek website? It can produce that. Do you want an animated GIF of your dog when she was still a puppy? Consider it made. How about a program that automatically creates a life-improving to-do list based off of all of the data you produce? All of these are possible, and they're easy too. To explain how it works, we first need to review some facts. Fact: every quantum event, when electron tunneling or not tunneling, when exactly an atom of uranium decays, or the direction a photon of light travels once emitted from matter-antimatter annihilation, is truly random. Meaning, any number of outcomes is truly possible. Fact: anytime a quantum event occurs, new universes are created, one for every possible outcome. This means that in all of the ways quantum events can shape the world, they do. Every possibility is expressed somewhere in the vast and ever-growing multiverse. If a coin flip was determined by some quantum event, then you can be sure that there is both a universe where the coin is heads and a universe where the coin is tails. This theory is called the multiple worlds theory and was put forth by Everett when people were first trying to figure out exactly what Schrödinger's equation actually means. Fact: if you place an infinite number of monkeys in a room with an infinite number of typewriters for an infinite amount of time, one of the typewriters, at least, will eventually spit out the entire works of William Shakespeare, as well as every novel ever written, your last grocery list, the best joke ever written, and anything that you can possibly write down. Fact: every program, JPEG, note, video game, or any other type of computer file is ultimately a sequence of binary ones and zeros, called bits. Each bit can be grouped with others to form bytes. In the same way, letters can be grouped together into words. Fact: we can create bits, bytes, letters, and numbers based off of quantum events. The data collected through these means is truly random. You can get such data from the Quantum Random Bit Generator service. Now, let's put all of these facts together to form the basis for the universal compiler. We get truly random bits to create our files. 8 bits makes a byte, and 4 bytes can represent any character in the UTF-8 set, which encodes the whole alphabet, the numbers, and all kinds of weird symbols. Each bit is like the random press of a key by a monkey in front of a binary typewriter. Because the bits are the results of quantum events, we can be sure that all possible bits are expressed in one of the multiple worlds, including the bits that make up our desired file. To make a fully functioning universal compiler, all we have to do is put together enough bits based off of quantum events and be sure to exist in that one universe, that one of countless others that produces the exact file we want. That is all there is to it. I've created a program that automates this process. When using it, you have 2 options. Option 1 is to run the program and tell it how big of a file you need in terms of bytes. The other option is to write a file of affirmations. This file is your way of communicating with the universe, to tell it what you want. It is a wish. The universal compiler will take this file and use it to determine how big of an output file to create. Once the universal compiler knows how big of a file to create, We'll fetch data from the quantum random bit generator and write that data to the output file you specified. All you need to do to get the right type of file is include the file extension in the name of your output file. And voila! Your file is served hot and fresh directly from the mind of the universe itself. Optionally, if you are creating Python code, you can immediately execute that code by using the -e flag. Now there's only one thing left to do. It's time to try it.